100% installation of new Inconel exhaust valves is one of the quality-added features included on Jasper's remanufactured Ford 6.7-liter Scorpion diesel engine. Jasper has seen the factory exhaust valves on early model Scorpion diesel engines fail over time. This is due to the material of the valve not being able to withstand high exhaust temperatures. They end up cracking and breaking, as is the case seen here. Jasper's remanufacturing process for the Scorpion diesel includes the 100% installation of new Inconel exhaust valves. Inconel is an alloy typically used in high-temperature applications and well suited for the purpose of exhaust valves. These Inconel valves will sustain higher operating temperatures compared to the early factory exhaust valves. New Inconel exhaust valves for a remanufactured 6.7-liter Scorpion diesel is another way that Jasper provides peace of mind for you and your customer.